Hey guys, welcome back to another Kroger video. So this week we have a new mega event, and this mega event is when you buy 5 or more participating items, you save $1 each. Now these deals you can do from now until August 20th. Let's jump right in with this first deal on the Clean and Clear Facial Cleanser, priced at $6.79 on sale for $6.29. I have a $3 off one Best Customer Bonus coupon, and we all have a $2.50 off one manufacturer coupon. After both coupons, I will pay just 79 cents. Next, we have a pretty great deal on the Carefree pads. These are priced at $8.29. They're on the Mega for $7.29. We have a $4 off one digital coupon, so you will pay just $3.29 at the register. But then I have an IBOTTA rebate for $5 back for the Carefree pads, any size, any variety. So after that $5 rebate, my final price will be free plus $1.71 moneymaker. Next up, we have another freebie, which is on the Kraft Signature Shredded Cheese. These are priced at $3.99 on sale for $3.49, and they're on the Mega for $2.49. So you would pay $2.49 at the register, but then IBOTTA has a rebate for $3.99 back for buying one. That will make the final price free plus $1.50 moneymaker. Now I posted this deal early this morning on Instagram, and someone commented that they did not have this rebate. So just a heads up, check your IBOTTA accounts just to make sure that you have this rebate. Next, you're going to pick up one of the Irish Spring body wash. This is a 20-ounce bottle priced at $5.99 on the Mega for $4.99, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon. After that coupon, you will pay just $2.99. Then we have the soft soap body wash priced at $5.49 on the Mega for $4.49, and we have a $2 off one digital for the soft soap. So after that, you will pay just $2.49 for one. Next deal is on the pull-ups training pants. They are priced at $10.49 on the Mega for $9.49. You're going to pay that $9.49 at the register. But before you do that, make sure you clip this $1 back on Kroger Cash Back. So you pay $9.49 at the register. You're going to get $1 back from Kroger Cash Back. Then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back, making the final price just $6.49. Next deal is on this Dove Baby Body Wash. This is the 13-ounce bottle priced at $8.49. There's a $2.50 off one digital coupon, and I have $1.20 off one Best Customer Bonus coupon. After both coupons, I will pay just $4.79. Now guys, remember, not everyone gets the same Best Customer Bonus coupon, so check to see if you have this one or any other Best Customer Bonus coupon I share in this video. Just double check to see if you have it. This next one is on the Cheddar's Classic Cheddar Cheesy Crackers, priced at $4.99 each. So two will come to $9.98, but we have a buy one get one free digital. So you're going to use that. You're going to pay $4.99 for both, or $2.50 each. Next deal is on the Bob's Red Mill bars. These are priced at $1.79 each, and you're going to pick up 4 of them. Your total for all 4 will come to $7.16, but we have a $3 off 4 digital coupon. After that, the final price will be $4.16 for all 4, or $1.04 each. Next deal is on the Sensible Portions Garden Veggie Flavor Burst. They're priced at $3.79 on sale for $2.99, and they're on the Mega for $1.99. I have $1 off one savings for you coupon, so that will make one just 99 cents. Next up, we have the Sweet Nothings Organic Bites. These are priced at $2.49 each. It comes with 2 bites in a pack. You're going to pick up 2 of them. 2 will come to $4.98, and we have a buy one get one free digital. After that, you'll pay $2.49 for both, or $1.25 each. Next up, we have the 6-pack Snicker bars priced at $5.99 on sale for $3.99, and it's on the Mega for $2.99. Next up, we have a deal on a 40-ounce Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatball skillet meal. It's priced at $9.49, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon. After that coupon, you will pay just $7.49. Next up, we have the Pepperidge Farm Sweet Hawaiian Buns priced at $4.29 on sale for $3.99, and it's on the Mega for $2.99. Next deal is on the 24-ounce Bertolli pasta sauce priced at $3.49 on sale for $2.79, and it's on the Mega for $1.79. Next, we have the 10-count Crystal Light drink mix packets priced at $3.19 on sale for $2.79, and it's on the Mega for $1.79. Next deal is on the Mahatma Ready to Heat rice. These are priced at $2.29 and it's on the mega for $1.29, and there's $1 off one digital coupon, making the final price just 29 cents. Next deal is on the Windex Original Glass Cleaner, and this is a 23-ounce bottle priced at $4.29, on sale for $3.99 and on the mega for $2.99. Next up, we have the Kraft salad dressings. They're priced at $3.49, on sale for $2.99, and they're on the mega for $1.99. Next deal is on the Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese. They're priced at $3.49, on sale for $2.99, and they're on the mega for just $1.99. Next deal is on the Ling Ling chicken and vegetable dumplings. They're priced at $9.79, on sale for $6.49, on the mega for $5.49. You're gonna pay $5.49 at the register, but then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back, making the final price just $2.49. Next deal is on the 4-pack Bounty Essentials paper towels, priced at $6.99, on sale for $5.99, and on the mega for $4.99. I have a best customer bonus for $1 off one. Check your accounts to see if you have that. If you do, you will pay just $3.99. This next deal is on the 64-ounce Oatly oat milk. You can get the unsweetened or the super basic. They're priced at $5.79, on sale for $4.99, on the mega for $3.99. So you'll pay $3.99 for one, but then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. So the IBOTTA rebate goes for both varieties. You can get the unsweetened, as I said before, or the super basic. Now after the IBOTTA rebate, your final price will be just $2.49. Next deal is on the house margarita salt. They're priced at 99 cents, but we have a 25 cents off one digital coupon. After that, the final price will be just 74 cents. Next, we have the 16-ounce Jif peanut butter, priced at $3.29, on sale for $2.99, and it's on the mega for $1.99. This next deal is on the Milton's baked crackers. These are priced at $3.49, on sale for $3.29, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon. After that, the final price will be $1.29. Next up, we have the Sonoma Creamery Pepperoni Pizza Crisp, priced at $4.99, and we have a $2 off one digital, making the final price just $2.99. Next, we have the Bubbly Sparkling Water. This is the 8-pack, priced at $4.99, on sale for $4.49, and on the mega for $3.49. You're going to pay that at the register, but then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, and the limit on that rebate is $5. So after the rebate, the final price will be $2.49. This next deal is on a 12-pack quilted Northern Bath tissue. This is the 12 equal 48 rolls. They're priced at $13.99, on sale for $10.99, on the mega for $9.99. There's a $2 off one digital, making the final price just $7.99. Next, we have a deal on the Traeger 16-ounce barbecue sauce, priced at $6.99, on sale for $5.99, and we have a $2 off one digital. After that, final price will be $3.99. Next deal we have is on the Tarnex Tarnish Remover. This is a 12-ounce bottle, priced at $7.79, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon, making the final price $5.79. Next deal is on the Dream Organic Rice Milk, priced at $5.99, and there's a free digital coupon. You can check your accounts to see if you have that. It says General Savings, so just check your accounts to see if you have it. If you have it, you can get one of this rice milk completely free. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Kroger deals.